Hello, welcome to Content Editor Online Training for the College of Arts and Sciences Standard Sites. In this video, you will learn about links, link types, and link text. What is a link? The word link is a shortening of the phrase hypertext link. Once constructed, it applies code to a selected set of words so that when selected, it gives instruction to the browser to look for and load different information to display. The use of hypertext links to integrate information across pages and platforms is what makes the Internet a valuable tool. A link should appear different from surrounding text. On our standard sites, it appears in red and is underlined. To follow a link, one must select it with the mouse or keyboard. The first way that we differentiate between links is the definition of an internal link versus an external link. An internal link simply goes to another location within the same website. An external link goes to a different website. The second way that we differentiate between links is the definition of an absolute link versus a relative link. An absolute link is a link containing all the link components to tell a browser absolutely where to go and what to do when it gets there. A relative link is a link that contains only the necessary link components that tell the browser where to go relative to the current site. The first component of an absolute link is the protocol. Typically, HTTP, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, simply tells the browser to go out into the Internet and display a web page. You'll also frequently see HTTPS, which tells the browser to go out into the Internet and display a secure web page. Another common protocol is FTP, and it tells the browser to go out into the Internet and prepare to either upload or download files. The next part of the link is the link address. You or I looking at this address might realize that the link goes to the University of Texas website. However, our browser cannot read this. Thus, this part of the link does not make sense to it. However, it knows where to go to find out. From the protocol, the browser knows to go out into the Internet. Once there, it visits a web database that contains the information matching the web address to a physical IP address. This IP address tells the browser not only the location of the supporting server for the given website, but also its location on that server. Although this search for information takes time, it is usually only nanoseconds and is not often noticeable. However, if the delay takes longer, it causes the user to lose interest in visiting the new location. Once at the new location, the browser goes to this directory, this subdirectory, and finally displays this file using instructions from this programming language. A file name consists of a name, a dot, and an extension that is indicative of the programming language. HTML and HTML are for hypertext markup language, which is still the most prevalent language used on the web today. There is a small but growing list of other languages used to create websites, such as PHP, ASP, CFM, and occasionally there is no extension. Our web pages have no extension. They have no extension because when a browser visits our websites, our server tells the browser how to display the page. Now that we've covered the basics of a link, please continue with the next video to learn how to create links on a web page.